class, thank you very much for listening to me. Now we're going to go over some of the work that we did today. Asking and giving directions. We'll start with excuse me, then someone will say yes. And then you can only ask the question, can you tell me how to go to London Hall, please? It's very important that you do say please. It's very polite as well. People in other countries love you to be polite. They'll always be eager to answer your question if you are polite. So please remember to say please. Then they'll say like certainly, you have to turn right, turn left, cross a bridge, at the traffic light, turn right or left. That is all giving you directions. Please remember to verify the directions or repeat the directions. It will help you to understand and to memorize what that person has given you. Okay? So you will start with, so I have to turn right, turn left, cross the bridge at the traffic light, turn right or left. Then that person will reply to say yes or no, but mostly it will be yes. And then you'll say thank you, and that person will say you're welcome. Okay? So now, let's go over some of our vocabulary for today. Turn.
Turn.
Go straight.
Go straight.
At the traffic lights.
At the traffic lights.
Cross the bridge.
Cross the bridge.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Right, let's do it again. Turn.
Turn.
Go straight.
Go straight.
At the traffic lights.
At the traffic lights.
Cross the bridge.
Cross the bridge.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Good, that is very well. Let's do that again. Into two pairs we will break, okay? You will be number 1 and you will be number 2. So, let's start by number 1. Number 1.
Excuse me. Yes. Can you tell me how to go to London Hall, please? Certainly. You have to turn right, go straight, turn left, go straight, cross the bridge, go straight, at the traffic lights, turn right, turn left, go straight.
Very good.
So, I have to turn right, go straight, turn left, go straight, cross the bridge, go straight, at the traffic lights, turn right, turn left, go straight. Correct. Thank you. You're welcome.
That was very, very well spoken. Very, very good. Class, you may give yourself a hand.